Recreating this HyperDoc for your own class to use is really simple to do. First thing you want to do is go to File and make a copy. That way it lives in your drive. Secondly, you want to make sure that your share settings are correct for the students that you'll be working with. I like to leave it on with anyone with the link can view. This is a document that you want all of your students to be able to type on. It's one of those kinds of HyperDocs. So you want to think about your workflow. Are you going to push it through Google Classroom so they can all type their responses here? Or you can simply teach your kids to go to File and make a copy, whichever you like. Every time you see a HyperDoc, it's open for you to use by doing those few steps, but you have to be sure to change any links that are unique to the doc and to your class. This first link is just a link to a video. Everyone can access it. You don't need to change that. The second one is a link to just Google Maps because I like kids to explore the difference between Google Maps and Google My Maps as they're thinking about their happy places. The second step will be right here, and you'll notice I've left a big note. Watch the tutorial to fix the map link because I want all students to post their happy place to this collaborative map. So what you need to do is go into this link that I've labeled here. I left it open so you can kind of play around with it and try it out yourself. And what you need to do is it works very much like a Google Doc. You can go to these three dots at the top and click Copy Map. Now you can rename this with your name or whatever you like, and then select OK. Now, when you first open this map, it works very much like Google Docs in terms of the share settings. Again, you have to make sure that you click on the share settings and it is private, only you can access until you change this. Now, when I'm working with students, I put on anyone with the link and can edit. When the lesson is over, I'm sure to go back into the share settings and change it to can view so that students are not able to change anyone's postings when I'm not monitoring it. You click save, and now I can copy this link that's right here and go ahead and click complete. And then I go back to the HyperDoc, and where I had originally linked this map, you click on here and click change. I'm going to get rid of that original link. That was my link to my map, and you can paste yours in right there and click apply. When you're done with that, go ahead and erase this little tip, and this HyperDoc is now ready for your students to use.